Well, good morning. Welcome back to the tavern and the Oasis. It is Sunday morning, September 13th. Holy crap, it's my brother's birthday. I need to give him a call. Well, happy birthday, dear brother. Yeah, holy crap. It's his birthday. Anyway, happy birthday, dear brother. And it's 2020, and we're here for another day of bits and pieces of work before I head back down to the city and get my work done for the week before I can come back here and escape. So it's been really smoky for the last couple of days, overcast since yesterday, expecting rain, which would be nice. A good rainstorm will wash the smoke out of the sky, put it on the ground where it belongs. Who knows, it might even provide some nutrients back to the soil. Kind of interesting that way. And I think once upon a time this used to be, normal kind of things that would happen worldwide, and now we panic about it. Yeah, forests is burning, yeah, people's homes are being destroyed, but maybe if we'd practice some proper fire precautions, controlled burns, etc., we wouldn't have such major forest fires. Or it could also be the simple fact of we've been doing so much clear cutting of lands, and we're planting back the stuff, and we've got second and third growth forests right now that are just choked with underbrush. So once they get lit up, they're impossible to put out. It's up to Mother Nature to put them out for us. At any rate, harvested a bunch of stuff yesterday. Harvested tomatoes, straightened up my tomato plants a bit. Hopefully I didn't kill any. They got turned into big brambles, and so I had to clear some leaves and other things from them. Got the trench dug for the frame for my greenhouse, and sometime this week we'll get the boards cut, and next weekend we put some gravel down and level it and bolt it together, and just a bit of work on the greenhouse stuff. What else did I get accomplished? Well, that's really about it yesterday. Mostly just weeding and cleaning. It's amazing how much time that takes in a garden to do, which I thoroughly enjoy the work. It's mostly mindless. It allows your mind free to explore or do or think about the things that need to be thought about. Or you can drown out all those thoughts by listening to a podcast or music. Your choice. I'm trying to not listen to as much stuff so I don't drown out my own thoughts. Need to get the head clear. We've got a lot coming up in the next few years that's going to challenge each and every one of us. And my thing is, get prepared. You need to be doing this stuff now. Not next month, not next year. Your first year, if you have never gardened before anywhere, you'll find your first year, maybe 2 years, you won't even get enough to survive on harvest. It's basically, you got a lot of learning to do before you start pulling in the big harvests, and you got to get a lot of plants in their right places in your yard, because every yard has a microclimate. And that's really all I've got, and we don't really have much of a tour for you this morning. So what I'll do is we'll call it at that, and we'll try to record a few things I'm going to do this morning. I got a lot of cleanup and other things to do. With all of that, let's get the Oasis opened and get the day started.
I'm getting that old feeling just creeping up inside, that your love is dying, if it hasn't already died. I'm getting that old feeling that I will soon cry, that you are tired of me and will soon say goodbye. I've had this old feeling so many times before, and every time I did, you walked out the door. Well, I know what it feels like to die. I'm getting that old feeling, something I can't explain. Nothing that I can point to, but it's there just the same. I'm getting that old feeling, afraid that it's true. And I feel so helpless, not a thing that I can do. I've had this old feeling so many times before, and every time I did, you walked out the door. I know what it feels like to cry, and this time I'll know what it feels like to die. Well, I know what it feels like to cry, and this time I'll know what it feels like to die. This time I'll know what it feels like to die.